In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to Blogger. If you want your Blogger site to look more professional, connecting a custom domain is a great step. Instead of using the default Blogspot address, you can use your own web address and make your blog easier for visitors to remember. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Blogger and what to enter so you can start the setup correctly. First, open your Blogger dashboard and make sure you're on the correct blog if you manage more than one. This is important because domain settings apply to the specific blog you select. Once you're in the right place, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This section contains the main controls for your blog, including visibility, publishing, and domain-related options. After the settings page opens, scroll until you find the publishing section. This is where Blogger lets you manage the web address connected to your blog. In that section, click on Custom Domain. This tells Blogger that you want to replace the default Blogspot URL with your own domain. Now in the Custom Domain field, type your domain name using the www version. For example, you should enter it in the format www.yourdomain.com. Including the www part is important here, because Blogger typically expects the custom domain to be added this way during setup. If you leave that part out and enter only the root domain, it may not save correctly. Once you've typed the domain, click Save. At this point, Blogger may either accept it right away or show you additional details if more setup is required. That's normal. The main goal in this step is to submit the custom domain inside Blogger so the platform can recognize what address you want to use. As a helpful tip, double-check your spelling before saving. A small typo in the domain name can cause problems later and make it harder to complete the connection. It's also a good idea to confirm that the domain you're entering is one you already own and can manage through your domain provider. That's it for this part of the process. You've now entered your custom domain into Blogger and saved the setting in the correct place. Once this is done, you're ready to move forward with any additional configuration Blogger may require. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.